Hi, welcome back guys. Today we are talking about how to add a pivot table in Google Sheets. Why would you want to know how to add a pivot table in Google Sheets? Well, maybe you are new to Google Sheets. So today I am going to show you how to add a pivot table in Google Sheets. Check the video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. Okay, here's our table. Let's go to insert, then pivot table. Okay, data range, let's select our range, our table like this, then press OK. Okay, let's create a new sheet, not excited. Create. Okay, he gave us important suggestions. Average of Jan each name. No, another one. Sum of February for each. And the last one is average of March for each name. Sure, you can make your own search, not just suggested things he gave it to you. That easy, guys. There you go. If you want to know how to add a pivot table in Google Sheets, that's the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to do it, leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.